One gadget in 10 minutes. Welcome to my channel. This is a future Quest tech. Let's go to the video. CampStove Complete Cook Kit. Grill, boil, cook, and charge with this fully integrated kit. Generate electricity and create smokeless wood flames. Stove generates 3 watts power to charge devices. Updated 3200 mAh internal battery stores power for when you need it. Burn sticks, wood scraps, or pellets. Kettle pot stores CampStove to save pack space. Boil 1 liter of water in 4.5 minutes. Grill top fits up to 4 burgers. Flex light with chroma real LED technology included to illuminate cooktop. Price will $191.96. BioLite FirePit Plus. Enjoy the warmth, smell, crackle, and feel of a wood campfire, without any of the smoke. Fuel using, burns firewood or charcoal. Upgraded body design radiates heat outward. Upgraded high-temp enamel coating for durability and easy cleaning. Upgraded 12,800 mAh battery for longer burn times. Burn time, 30 hours on low, 14 hours on medium, 7 hours on high. Dimensions, 27 inches by 13 inches by 15.8 inches. Weight, 19.8 pounds. Add fire pit accessories to complete your experience. Price $224.95. Next, Coleman Sundome Tent. Weatherproof, welded corners and inverted seams, keep water from getting in. Included rainfly offers extra weather protection. Wind and rain tested, strong frame withstands 35+ mile/hour winds. Great ventilation, large windows and ground vent for enhanced airflow. Easy setup, in 10 minutes. Stay connected, ePort makes it easy to bring electrical power inside.
Jetboil STASH, lightest ever backpacking stove system. All-in-one stove system. 0.8 liters cookpot. Improved lid for better fit and function. Titanium burner. Flux ring technology. 7.1 ounces. 40% lighter without sacrificing performance.
Next gadget is, Fenix HM65R, Rechargeable Headlamp. Both an independently controlled spotlight and a floodlight, for a combined maximum 1,400 lumens of, neutral and white light. Powered by the included 3,500 mAh battery. Have USB-C rechargeable and includes a battery level indicator. This is made of a magnesium alloy, for better strength. Completely dustproof and waterproof to 2 meters. The perforated reflective headband reduces weight and creates a more comfortable feel. Price will $94.95.
Victorinox Swiss Army, multi-tool pocket knife. Knife features 15 functions, equip you for everyday adventures, including 2.45 inches blade, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener with screwdriver, and scissors. Length 3.58, height 0.787, weight 3.5 ounces. Next, Goal Zero Lighthouse 600 Camping Lantern. Directional and adjustable LED light, up to 600 lumens. Recharge the internal battery from any USB port, from the sun with a Goal Zero solar panel, or use the built-in hand crank to charge up in an emergency. Hand crank charges at 1 watt. One minute of crank can power the light for 10 minutes on a low setting. Price will be $69.95. Mpowerd Luci solar string lights and phone charger. Mpowerd Luci solar string lights and phone charger, built-in rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. With 100 lumens across an 18 feet cord, mobile charging, and lasting up to 20 hours on a single charge, Luci string lights are the perfect way to light up your space. This is Ulanzi Mount 11 Octopus tripod. Strong. Holds devices weighing up to 2 kilograms. Stable. Rubberized foot grips provide enhanced stability in difficult terrain. Versatile. Works with cameras, flashes, speakers, video lights or any device weighing less than 2 kilograms with a built-in 1/4 inch tripod mount, detachable. Works with smartphones, tablets with a foldable mount on the top. Flexible. Wrappable legs allow you to secure professional camera equipment to virtually any surface. Portable. Compact and lightweight for easy transport in pocket, handbag or backpack. Next gadget is Drysack Wasserfester Pack Sack. Ideal dry sack for waterproof packing inside a bag or backpack. This product is not intended for boating or marine use. Capacity, 20 liters, can hold general gear for a paddle trip. Watertight, double-stitched and tape-sealed seams. High-pallet roll-top closure with quick-release buckle. Great features. Oval-shaped base, D-ring attachment point, super compact and ultra-lightweight. Specs. Size 5 by 9.4 in, weight 0.720 grams. Price range will $14.97 to $95.35. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and get in touch with future Quest Tech channel to know amazing gadgets in 2021.